Sometimes life destroys what we love, not to punish us, but to push us toward something better. Stay with this story. It may change the way you see loss forever. Sometimes loss is not the end. It is life pushing you to rise higher. Today's story carries a message of hope, so stay with us till the end to understand this powerful lesson. In the mountains stood an old, forgotten temple. Its marble walls were dark with moss, the courtyard silent, and at the center hung a great bronze bell that had not been rung for many years. Dust covered its surface, and even the birds flew past without noticing it. But one little sparrow saw something different. Inside the hollow of the bell was a cool, sheltered space, safe in the summer, protected in the rain. It was the perfect place to build a home. Carrying twigs in her beak, she carefully built her nest. She lined it with soft feathers, and as she worked, her heart filled with peace. "This is my safe place," she thought. "Nothing can harm me here." Day after day, she lived happily. She sang each morning and rested in the afternoons, believing the bell would never ring again. Her world felt secure. But life changes when we least expect it. One morning, after many years, monks returned to the temple. They decided it was time to ring the bell again to call the villagers for prayer. The sparrow had no idea. She sat quietly in her nest. Then, suddenly, boom! The monk struck the bell. A deep, powerful sound thundered through the air. The bell shook violently. The sparrow's nest trembled. Twigs fell apart, and feathers scattered everywhere. In a single moment, her home was destroyed. Terrified, the sparrow flew out. She flew around the courtyard in panic. Her safe world was gone. Tears filled her heart. Why did this happen to me? What wrong did I do? Why did life take away my home? She flew out of the temple with heavy wings, unsure of where to go. Day after day, she wandered through valleys, resting on trees, searching for a place to belong. But nowhere felt right. She grew tired. She grew hungry. She felt like giving up, yet something inside whispered, "Keep flying, keep searching, don't stop." So she continued. She held on to a faint belief that somewhere, somehow, she would find a new home. One afternoon, she followed the soothing sound of running water. It led her into a hidden clearing within the forest. Sunlight filtered softly through the trees. The air was fresh. Berry trees hung heavy with fruit, and a sparkling stream flowed gently nearby. Thick branches offered a perfect place to build a nest. The sparrow looked around, amazed. It was like paradise. With renewed hope, she began again. This time, she chose stronger twigs. She built slowly and carefully. Eventually, her new nest became bigger and sturdier than the first. When it was complete, she sat inside and felt the breeze brushing softly around her while the stream sang its gentle song. She smiled. "This is better than the old bell," she thought. And then she understood. If the bell had never rung, I would have stayed trapped in that hollow place. Losing my first home wasn't the end. It was the beginning of something far greater. Friends, life works the same way. We all build our nests, our homes, our jobs, our relationships. We feel safe and believe nothing will change. But one day, life shakes the bell, and everything we know falls apart. In those moments, we ask, why me? Why did I lose what I loved? The pain feels heavy, and the future seems uncertain. But just like the sparrow, we must keep flying. We must keep searching. The end of one chapter is not the end of the story. What we call loss is often the beginning of something better, something we never imagined. Remember the sparrow? The same bell that destroyed her nest also freed her from her small world and guided her toward a paradise she had never seen. So when your world shakes, don't fear. It is not the end. Keep your heart strong. Keep moving, keep building. Because your next nest, your next home, your next chapter may be the most beautiful part of your life.